Today we'll be unboxing and trying the Farm Life floss. I bought a pack of 4 and each of the packs, it comes packed like this. I bought the brown one and it comes in 60 floss each. So the flosses are on waxed floss. They have single thread in it. So as you can see, the grip of it is very durable. It's very ergonomically designed, and the string itself, it's really strong and it won't break my teeth. So you can see, even though my teeth are really tightly connected, this floss can do a good job and it doesn't break. You can see I can easily use it, and again, it doesn't hurt my gum. My gum is intact, everything works fine. So I also like the pick area because you can put it in between your teeth to pick out any food residue. So you can see it goes in well and it doesn't hurt the tooth. I absolutely love this floss and I'll continue using it.